man, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today I'm going to do another side dish for you. This is going to be simple. This is corn with cream cheese and green chili. We're going to smoke it in the Pro Series 1100. We're going to smoke it at 225 degrees for probably an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Just depends how long I feel like going. I'm going to add these in with the ribs that I got going. I think if you've seen that other video, I got a bunch of beef ribs in there right now. So it's at the right temperature. This is really tough. Let me just show you down here. Okay, we have 6 12-ounce bags of frozen corn. And let me get that centered. So 72 ounces of corn, a couple packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, and about 6 ounces of green chili diced up. I'm hoping this is enough green chili. Might be a little light, but it is what it is. So this is how tough this is. My corn was, I took it out earlier. It's not quite thawed. You can go totally frozen or partially frozen or completely thawed. However you want to do it. You can use canned corn, just make sure you drain it. You can even smoke corn on your pit boss and cut it off if you have the time. We're going to be feeding at least 6 people, maybe 8 today. Okay, sorry about that. So we got 72 ounces of corn, Philadelphia cream cheese. This is a real tough recipe, and you know, hey, Man Kitchen Recipe, you know we like it easy. I let the cream cheese out to soften. Get that open, just like that. Throw it on the corn. And after looking at all this corn, I don't know, I may have to go cut some more green chili up. I like green chili here. Okay. Second one open. Put it on there. See how tough that is? Okay, got our green chili. Dump it on there, just like that. Let me go grab a spoon and we'll mix it up and get it on the smoke. Okay, got a spoon. All you got to do is mix it up. Doesn't matter right now that the cream cheese is not mixing all together. What we're going to do is let this smoke for about 30 minutes. Watch me that smoke rolling out of that smoker. And then we'll come out here and stir it. By then everything will be softened up, corn will be warm. And just like that, now all we got to do is stick it in the smoker. Get this corn over there. Open this up. We'll just move our ribs over. Yeah, that's a little warm. Make room for the corn. And that is it. Let it go for 30 minutes. We'll stir it and let it go for another 30 and check it out. All right. Now while this is in the smoker, I just wanted to give a little credit to my sister-in-law. She turned us onto this cream cheese, green chili, and corn recipe. I'm just throwing it in the smoker to add some smoke to it. So thank you Tammy, for that recipe, or for this recipe. I'm sure it'll be as good as yours, I hope. And just want to give you a shout out. Okay, it's been 45 minutes on this corn. And once again, we have a windy day. And then, you know, I went ahead and bought some more green chilies. I'm going to add some more, 6 more green chilies. That was about 4. Looks like probably about a cup and a half or a cup and a quarter if you're measuring. I didn't want any other New Mexicans that seen this see me only put that much green chili in this. So I'm going to add some more green chili to these. last bit. Now I'm going to stir this all up. Cream cheese is softened up. Look at that. Look at that green chili. Green cheese corn. Man. Okay. We're going to let this go for about 5 more minutes, maybe an hour. We'll see. Just let this roll. Okay. We're going to let this roll. Alright, let's get that cream cheese and green chili corn off of it.
Okay, so now go give this a try. I can guarantee that you will like it.
Delicious.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, so that was the cream cheese, corn, and green chili recipe. We ended up taking it to our in-laws' house. I did not do a taste test. And usually 90% of the time, if I can't do a taste test, it's because we got people inside waiting. And they don't want to all stand around while I'm doing my taste test. So anyway, the corn came out great. I hope you give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it. You could eat it as a side as we did, or you could even eat it as a dip, I guess, if you add a little more cream cheese. And I'll tell you what, that green chili really makes it. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.